the best completely free PDF editor. So if you want the PDF editor which is the best and which is completely free, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Microsoft Store. Once you open it up, now you need to go with the search which is on the upper side, and you need to search for Indigo PDF. Once you search for it, now here you will have the Indigo PDF Tools. Click on it and then go with the Get option or Install option, which will be on the left side. So simply go and install the application. Wait for some time till it installs. It might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And after installing, you will have the open option. You just need to simply go with open. Once you open, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the username and password. But if you're new to that, you just need to simply go with register, and you need to create your account on Indigo PDF. Once you've created, it will take you to this kind of interface where you will have your application. So under your application, you will have all of the features. So let's open the application for a precise view. So I'm just creating my account because I don't have one. Simply enter your details and go with sign up and create your account. So you'll be able to have the PDF multi-tool. You can merge. You will have the page operations like merge, split, organize, rotate, remove, multi-page layout. And it's also completely free. You don't need to pay anything for that. So this is the best completely free PDF editor. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.